man, I'm bored. I know what I'm going to do. I know. I'm going to repair the system32 on my Sarah's laptop. Ha 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 ha. Don't worry, Sarah, I will repair the system32 on my Sarah's laptop.
Really? Repair the system32?
Good. I'm going to repair your system32. Ha 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 ha. Yay. You repaired the system32. Wow.
Thank you, Caillou.
I'll remember this.
Yeah, I'm going to play the checkmate on your laptop.
Sarah, did you come over here now?
Sarah, I can't believe it that you repaired the system32. You know you are integratable skit. That's it. You are so grounded for 110,256 weeks. Got out the bits from rigged now you little bits. And never ever saw me out.
Oh ha 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 oh 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 ha ha oh oh oh. Caillou, are you out of your mind? I actually can't believe that you repaired the system32 on my Sarah's laptop. You know you are integratable shit thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 9 another million months. That's it. It's time for 20 hours of sitting.
What a relief joke. I don't.
Sit up or not. Sit down, right, now. Before I will call the police.
Yes, yes.
This is your cell. Because, you will be sitting there for 20 hours. So yeah, have a nice day on your home. No more leaving your sofa before you're ungrounded. Caillou, I'm now going to go to sleep. If you don't leave your sofa, you are giving the punishments. Goodbye, Caillou. Caillou, before you go to your room, we're going to McDonald's to have a chicken nuggets, French fries, and Sprite.
Wow. Yay. Thank you, and you're getting to be grounded.
I'm sorry. You are not grounded. You are ungrounded for 99 weeks. You have to go, now. Let's go to McDonald's, and as for that everybody, to ground Caillou, you need to ground Classic Caillou, Rosie, and Classic Rosie.
Don't forget to subscribe. And turn on the post notifications. Send.
You're grounded for 9 months. Go outside right now.
What?